Okay. This is my bedroom. If you look at the socket, damn, you can't really see it. Well, look how it's hanging. There you go. You can see it now. It's hanging about to fall. That's one. This is two. This one is screwed in a little bit better than the others. That's two. The light fixture. Three. This one is terrible. Can you see how it's leaning forward like it's about to fall out? You can see it from the side. That is one here. 1, 2, 3, this makes 4. The light fixture is 5. That's probably 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. This one. This is the living room. And also here. Okay, I showed you the black mold. Oh, my door. As you can see, what happened was I went to empty the garbage and the door slammed and it slam locked, and Victor refused to come to let me in with his key, so I had no other choice but I'll show you. I had no other choice but to call the fire department. See that? See that? Okay. It's not on, and look at this part. Look. And I believe that's it. I believe that's it. Thank you.